The Last Leaf, the original story by O. Henry. There once was a girl who became gravely ill, looking out the window of her room anxiously to see leaves falling off an old tree one by one. She was weakening and losing her hope on the well, with fewer and fewer leaves remaining on the tree, blown by gusty northerly winds in the setting sun. After the windy weather was gone the next day, she saw one last leaf still on the tree, sparkling in the morning sunlight so brightly, as if it had no weight, refusing to go down. Strongly encouraged by the incredible sight, she regained her will to live. But she only discovered the truth when it was too late to thank the old artist who passed away soon after painting the last leaf during the night. Takahiro Miyao.
The sky has opened, sending a deluge to saturate the earth. A pause in the torrent brings in winds that shove the surf over drifting sand and paint the shore with mist. Water lilies droop beneath drops. Willows stand, their branches hanging heavy in the rain. Lainie, Senechal.
La Donna Immobile comes on the radio on my return from visiting my father at the Veterans Hospital where he lives. The great tenor sings, familiar but foreign. Italian, I long ago heard drifting up from downstairs, from my father's workshop. What matters the words? Memories, fulsome notes, come from the radio. I want to close my eyes, to sway, to drift like a feather or a yellow leaf falling from a tree. But I am driving, balancing the pull of emotive areas with the need to break before the closing gates and approaching whistle at the railroad crossing. Sarah Coletti.
Not far from the sand beach along the lake, the landscape is transformed by ledges and fallen rocks. In places, light plays through lichen-covered trees. Elsewhere, cool shadows are dark and deep. Here, unmoving, one-toed, sits like a Buddha at the center of the universe. Michael Biales.
The light is changing. 1. Summer's smile turns toward an ancient past, the emerald season now burnished and stained. Startled leaves succumb to fall's disquieting chill as the weighted deafness of winter descends. Many soft dawns will awaken with quiet faith, knowing the deep rustle and itch of spring. 2. The dawn came slowly, chasing shadows from the night. Dreams, like fallen leaves scattered and flung, rustle me awake. I turn and ask, who? What? Linda Sultan.